the ability to go grab the latest build of whatever component is sort of something that keeps me sharp. I do feel that in order for someone to be relevant, you have to be hands on to a certain extent.
Yeah.
And I think the challenge is always
Yeah.
how do you balance sort of your sort of core responsibilities with the things that you like, and certainly finding time to do that. And I would say, I have a YouTube channel. I try to post quite frequently, and I think that's also an outlet
Hmm.
for me to go ahead and try these things. So, when I'm involved in specific features, naturally I'll post them on YouTube. But even other features where I just want to be able to, experience them, I'll go do that. So recently I put out a video about templates. I wasn't involved in the templates initiative. Divya was on leading that, and so it was an opportunity for me to explore it because I do talk to customers a lot. I do present a lot, so it is important that I can actually talk intelligently about these
Yeah.
things.